Hey guys, it's me Logan out here at Oaks Kia. I'm so excited to present to you the brand new 25 Kia K4. Under the hood you're going to have some amazing things. One is going to be your 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's going to make about 147 horsepower and then also get you around 33 miles per gallon. Some more great things about Kia also is that up the front you're going to have your breakaway motor mounts. Essentially what that's going to do for you is on some front head collisions, it's going to shoot that motor underneath your cab, preventing it from squishing into the cabin, severing your legs, or just holding you in the cabin. Also will be the front end crumple zones. What that's going to do is the same thing. Front end collision, it's going to shrink your front like an accordion and just reduce the impact damage on you and your occupants inside. And then the last great thing you'll have is your fireproof mat. Worst case scenario, you do happen to have a fire outbreak inside your vehicle. This will just give you a little bit more time to get out and get away safely. So now I'm going to talk about some of the stuff going on in the driver's seat up front. Obviously over here you have all of your hands-free calling sets, as well as your media modes. And then over here is going to be all of your driving controls. So you'll have your adaptive cruise control, which is going to help maintain the distance between you and the car in front of you. Cruise control obviously is just cruise control, and then your highway drive assist will take turns for you, slight corners on the highway, and maintain you in the lanes as well. Some more awesome things up here is you have your 12.3-inch screen display. You do have your wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay on here. All your media controls are right here for the volume. Climate controls are here and here as well. You can adjust them either way. And then you can also have a full climate control on your screen where you can control temperature, modes, everything like that as well. All right, and then the last things I'm going to talk about is going to be right here. This is going to be your wireless phone charging pad right here. This is just your 2 regular chargers. If you would like to have your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay wireless, just hit this button right here one time. When it lights up orange, that's how you'll know you'll be on your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. And then you still got your 12-volt charger if you do ever need it right there. So inside your passenger seat, there's going to be some other great things in here, some great safety things. You're going to have an airbag up here. You also have some airbags down here, as well as your full side curtain airbags. All of that is just to prevent you from being the most safe inside your vehicle. The side curtain airbags are great for keeping the glass from splashing in your face, cutting your legs, or anything like that as well. In the back here, you're going to have some more great things as well. Down here, you got 2 chargers for the people in the back. No more complaining about, Mom, I need a charger, or whatever, stuff like that. And then same thing, side curtain airbags are going to continue all the way back here, keeping your rear occupants safe as well. My favorite things about Kia as well is the deceiving trunk space that you get in the sedans. Obviously, you think in a sedan you're not going to have a lot of trunk space. Back here, you got plenty of space for everything that you're going to need. Something that's also really cool about your K4 is if you pull these 2 levers right here and then you swing around to the back seat, you can actually, these seats will fold down, and that just gives you even more room for storage space, anything you might need, making your sedan a crossover. Thanks for watching again, guys. My name is Logan out here at Oaks Kia. If you guys are interested in any more Kia products or this K4 right here, my name's Logan out here at Oaks Kia. Once again, just give me a call on my cell phone at 816-977-5008. I hope to see you all soon.